As you hear the Kingston College head coach, Coach Raymond Watson. Coach, what happened today? To start on that.
First and foremost, I just thought that we didn't come out in our usual mode, hungry to win the game. I thought we came here thinking that we had 3 points already given to us and that we didn't have to work for it. So the first half, we were lackluster, but the opponents, they just sat deep and decided to defend. The surface also played a bit to it, but we created so many chances that we should have at least gotten about 3 or 4 in the back of the net.
Right, Coach, what was the message? What was the message to the boys at pre-game?
Pre-game? I tell you, just like I tell the team, I will take some of the blame because normally I'm in the area is to hype them up or give a team speech, and maybe the lackluster just started at the top where I didn't even give a motivational speech, and then maybe it just had a domino effect.
All right, Coach. How will how do you intend to change, what happened today?
Just like I did some Saturdays ago, and I told Jomar, next time we played the St. George's, that the result will be different. So I'm telling you, when we play this team again, the result will be different.
Coach, I saw that you had a long post-game talk with the boys. Even saw a technical director speaking to them. What was the message? Because we're talking about 15 and 16 and 17-year-olds. They probably don't know how to process defeats just yet. What was the message?
They didn't suffer a defeat, but they have suffered one during the season. Today they didn't. Right. But based on everybody expecting Kingston College to win, it seems like they did. The message was, I was compassionate because we took boys from their exams today and brought them here, and some of them finished an exam like an hour before and brought them here. Actually took 2 of them out of an exam room, and some of them have the SBA doing. So it's like about 8 or 9 people basically had exams today, and as I said, I took 2 of them out of their exams. So it's kind of pressuring, and I know, so I sympathize with them. The fact is, really we created so many chances that, we should have won the game. So, and maybe if we had scored 1 or 2, maybe the conversation would be different. But we'll get it right.
Cool. Did Jose Marti surprise you? The resilience today, did that surprise you?
No. As I always say, playing against Kingston College brings out the best in everyone.
All right, Coach. My partner is not doing the interview, but he has a point that I want to talk to you about. Lucian Whisper Richards, a lot of people, they're asking, why is he not a number 9? And we saw that in this game he made a tactical decision to play more centrally. Talk to me about that decision. Why is he playing on the wing, or why do you then move him in the middle? Just talk to me. Whether right or wrong, I just want to know the thought process.
You didn't see him as a number 9 and against St. George's.
I've seen you do it before, but predominantly he plays on the wing. So talk to me about that. What does he offer on the wing, essentially?
It's tactical most times. When you find people who want to double team your player on the wing, you move them inside just to see if the opponents react, and then based on their reaction, then you as a coach now find something else to, it's like dominoes, You think, you have to be thinking, you have to help the players also. These are young players, you have to help them. So you shift them around and you watch and see what the opponents is doing. Yeah, so it's also a tactical game, and the good coaches are good thinkers.
And where do you think is his best position, just from his coach?
Somewhere in front of the goal.
All right, Coach. Thank you for the interview. See you on Saturday.
Thank you very much. Yes.
All right. Yeah, respect, eh?
Yeah, man.